Now, that can easily come true by this Picasso box. It can easily turn factory Apple CarPlay into another Android system. Insert a SIM card, then you can make phone call and get access to internet. With built-in Bluetooth module, Bluetooth music, and hands-free phone call are available. Moreover, you can connect wall-LAN hotspot for fast internet surfing, watching video in YouTube or Netflix.
Water out of those mushrooms to get flavor. Set up.
Playing games. Install more apps from Google Play. One click to release running memory quickly. With built-in GPS antenna, you can use navigation like Google Map, Waze, Yandex, and more options. Strong signal from GPS, GLONASS, and Beidou. Sleep screen mode is the new features. Wireless screen mirroring are available for both iPhone and Android phone. Allows you to watch movies or photos in your phone through car screen. OEM wireless CarPlay and Android Auto also available when you enter this Android system. You can easily change the theme, wallpaper, and language in multiple settings. External TF card Max 182G offers more storage room for the device. It also supports lossless audio and HD video playback through TF card. Install apps by copying APK with TF card.